This beautifully crafted home offers the perfect balance of timeless elegance and modern comfort. Located in Happy Valley's highly desirable Pioneer Highlands neighborhood, it's just moments from Scouters Mountain, shopping, fantastic parks, scenic trails, and everyday amenities, all within easy reach. Inside, natural light pours across maple-engineered hardwoods, revealing an open layout with built-ins and a cozy gas fireplace. The chef's kitchen stands at the heart of the home, featuring high-end stainless steel appliances, a spacious quartz island, and a generous walk-in pantry. The convenient butler's pantry leads to the dining room, where wainscoting adds an elegant touch. French doors open to the main level den, an ideal spot for work or a quiet retreat. Upstairs, the primary suite is a calming escape, complete with a dual sink vanity, soaking tub, spa-style shower, well-appointed finishes, and a large walk-in closet. An expansive bonus and theater room adds flexible space for movie nights, playtime, hobbies, or creative work. This home of more than 3,200 square feet has 4 generous bedrooms, providing room for everyone. Step outside to a private backyard oasis with a charming gazebo, lush landscaping, a tranquil water fountain, and room to relax, making this an ideal place to unwind morning to night. Blending elevated style with everyday livability, this move-in ready Happy Valley haven brings comfort, character, and convenience together in one unforgettable home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582.